Bhakti Vedanta Gurukula and International School (BGIS) was established in Vrindavan in 1976 by A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya of the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON.
Hare Krishna, I'm Chaitanya from Meerut. I'm going to tell something about my school. My school name is BGIS, Bhaktivedanta Gurukula and International School. Here at BGIS, our teachers not only train us in academics, but also help us develop other good qualities such as cleanliness, honesty and compassion. You get to hear so many beautiful stories of Lord Krishna, Lord Ram and Hanuman. We also get to do many things like gardening, playing mridanga, singing Krishna bhajans in aartis. I never had any of this in my previous school or at home. I never knew Vrindavan was so special. I feel very happy here.
Our Gurukul is primarily meant for building character in students.
The current director of Gurukul, His Grace Leela Purushottama Das, is a former professor at IIT and has been teaching in reputed institutions around the world for over 20 years. He envisions an even greater role in society for Gurukul and hopes to take the school to new heights.
Hare Krishna, I am Gagan Puri of Standard 12th. I have been here in the school since last 12 years. I have studied from Standard 1 and now I am in Standard 12th. This school is really with a difference. It gives academic excellence, character building as well as good sports activities. I myself have participated in many sports activities such as district swimming championship, state swimming championship, volleyball championship and many others. I have won many trophies like district best swimmer, star swimmer of the district and as well as in the state.
Gurukul is a place for the all-round development of a young child, from spiritual activities like Mangalarti in the morning or carrying out religious processions to music lessons, art classes and daily sports. All facets are explored and children are encouraged to find their interest and their life's calling.
At Bhaktivedanta Gurukula, we emphasize the holistic development of the child. Modern academicians and educators, they understand this, that in order to bring out the best in a child, it's important to focus not just on the academic needs, but also the emotional and spiritual needs of the child. Vedic education understood this long back. They focused on this kind of a holistic development of a child, which includes not merely the academics, but also the spiritual progress of the child. Unless a child is developed or nourished both at the emotional and the spiritual levels, it's really not possible to bring out the best in him. And this is what Bhaktivedanta Gurukula does. We want to bring out individuals who are polished, who are competent to face the outside world, yet at the same time, they're equipped to deal with the stress because of their spiritual training.
You will be happy to know that we have acquired 60 acres of land near Ajai, which is 3 kilometers from the national highway connecting Delhi to Mathura.
This is our new land, new campus for our Gurukula kids. Actually, they are Krishna's kids, as Srila Prabhupada said. The beauty of this land is that this is where Krishna killed Aghasura. Aghasura was a demon and he represented ignorance. By killing Aghasura, Krishna is promising us that if we take shelter of him, he will remove our knee signs.
This school was founded in 1976 by Srila Prabhupada, and now we are taking a giant step forward with the acquisition of 60 acres of land in Vrindavan. This new campus will have world-class facilities for imparting complete education to a student. The education will include both skills as well as values, and such students will actually make a difference in the world. Because transformation begins from the self. When the students, they have positive transformation within them, they can actually bring about a positive transformation in the world. So I request all of you to please come forward and help us in this noble mission to create a brighter future for our country and for humanity at large. Thank you.
BGIS envisions an institution that will build a spiritual and compassionate new generation of citizens, with the school being a self-sustained autonomous body that does not believe in profiteering, unlike most public schools of this day and age. The realization of this dream rests on the encouragement and support of its patrons and the right-thinking members of our civil society.
It's a very wonderful project, very great project. You can come and see what we are doing, look at what are the opportunities and what are the schemes that we can develop here. So you can help us in so many ways, not only financially, but also in terms of guidance, in terms of your experience. You can share what are the things we can do better here, so that this will be a unique opportunity or unique school, unique campus for the kids.
The children are going to get the best education in a very conducive, environmental friendly environment. Our goal is to move to this new location by 2016, the 50th anniversary of the incorporation of ISKCON, and then to gradually expand and build the project in phases. We earnestly want to request all of you to please help in developing this project. This is a project with a difference, and this project will produce children with good material education, good character, will be of great help to the society and humanity at large. Hare Krishna.